Monday, July 8th, 3:05 p.m. New York time. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, it's free. Why don't you support it? If you want access to the video the same day I post it, I have subscription services on my Patreon page. The link's below. If you want to make a donation just for this video, you're more than welcome to. I have the links below to PayPal and Venmo. I'm going to talk about and show you day trading futures. Futures is a different exchange than the stock market. Futures have a longer duration, so you can trade them. So this is going to be about day trading, scalping the futures, pre-market. When I say pre-market, that's before the New York session opens. In the United States, the stock market trades hours are from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Other countries have different hours. But the U.S. stock market, again, is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have other exchanges, futures, Forex, options, crypto, and those have different hours. So what I'm showing you here is one of the several futures exchanges in the United States, CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, trading futures. This is the S&P 500. During the outside hours of the normal New York Stock Exchange, there's lower liquidity, spreads are often wider. So I choose, more than the wiser for my research, the best financial assets, the best financial instruments to trade pre-market. And that is the S&P 500 futures, tight spreads, best liquidity. So before I start my day trading, I want to always look at the higher time frame to see what's currently occurring in the trend. The weekly S&P 500, higher high, higher low. It's currently green. Daily chart, yep, higher high, higher low. We made a new high for the year. Now, I'm doing all this before 7 a.m. So what you see now, well, that's the afternoon. Looking here on the 4-hour chart. This 4-hour candle, big wick on the top. And when I was coming here during the session, setting up my charts, it was here between the 5 and 6. Between the 6 and 7 hour. So my thought was this big wick, that was from Friday. Most likely we're going to have a chance to retest that. And the top of it was around quarters, 56.25. So during this session, I also had labeled this. This is a zone, demand zone, these 4-hour lows. Buyers were stepping in there. So again, I was leaning more bullish bias. And there was no economic news released this morning from the U.S. So again, my perspective was bullish bias. Then I do a top down. So same thing, S&P 500 futures, multiple time frames. The far left, 4-hour. Next one here, 1 hour. This is the 15-minute, and this is the 5 minutes. So I'm doing this futures scalping between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then from the New York open, the 9:30 a.m. forward, I'm doing the options on the SPX. Or sometimes if I don't like those, I'll just continue scalping this. That'd be on the part 2 video. So again, we're now looking at the 2-day of the S&P 500 futures 4-hour. And look at this. That was what I was expecting. Going here to the 1 hour, So again, that was that high. That Friday, this green area, Asian session, purple, London session, and me coming in trading here. Look, nice bullish buy. So each of these 1-hour candles making higher highs on the top and higher lows. The momentum was to the upside, grinding up. Nice. Take it to the 15-minute. And here's the Asian session, London session. And this was the New York session I was trading after I came back to the second session. So zoom in here so you can just see what I'm trying to show you on the 15-minute. The high of the London session And here, 7 a.m., huge candle. What's happening here is more people coming to participate in this business because it's the New York session. So more people are awake. North America, United States, Canada. Yep. So of course, you're going to have more activity. And again, look at each of these candles making higher highs, most of them. Higher lows. The momentum was to the upside, being bullish bias on the higher time frame. I'll show you momentarily in the lower time frame. Take this over to the 5-minute. Cue in my drawings. Here we're on the 5 minutes. So notice here, London session, the high of the London session right here. I had labeled this. Now these gray lines with different colors, once they get touched, it's broken, I change them, but I don't have to delete them. So again, here, 7 a.m. This blue vertical line, 7 a.m. and this one, 8 a.m. and this one, 9 a.m. Huge consolidation tight between the close of the London session, which is 5, and coming here at 7 hour, 700, huge consolidation. We had the trend reverse. Nice. Now I didn't get in exactly here. Nope. I got in closer to 730-ish. This swing high, we broke above it. I think it was closer to like 720, something like that. Broke above it, and then I was bullish more. Because we closed above it. This one rejected it, closed above it. A lot of volatility, a lot of fake out. You can tell big wick on the top, big wick on the bottom. So obviously people are battling. There's maybe new people trying to short, and then inside candle. Nice. That got done at 720, 715, 720 inside candle. Nice. Took bullish. It continued going bullish. Nice. Let me show you the next. So left is the 5-minute and the right is a 3-minute candle. Same financial instrument. Huge consolidation here. A lot of bullish momentum here to the upside, broke above, and then my longs are coming in. This area. Breakout, consolidation, bunch of retests filled. The bullish were still taking over. Nice. Run up, huge consolidation. And if you notice, this consolidation was close to the top of the hour at 9 a.m. This blue vertical line, 9 a.m. I was already done, closed out. I just didn't want to be in trades between 9 and 9:30. Took a lot of concentration. So I added my trades up here before the 9 o'clock, and the first several trades around this 720th, and they were all bullish. Worked out fine. This financial tool, let's go back here. I can still trade it. It's still open, but I'm not doing that now. So all this, you see all these things drawn here. Just some ranges I was looking in and areas I was concentrating in. I want to show this again on the 4 hours so you can see this big candle here on the 4 hour. This big candle here before that strong impulse move up. Follow with another candle, higher high and higher low. Yeah, big wick there. That's bearish. But again, made a higher high, higher low. One expected to be retest. Now let me take you on the 5 minutes. Put this on 2 days. Oops, sorry. There we go, 2 days. So you can see it clearer. Remember, that was the high of the prior day. There we go. So that was the high up here. I was showing you from that 4 hour candle. Notice a rejection. See this gray horizontal line? 55.25 quarters, big number. And look at this again. We went up, broke above it, way after. Again, this was 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Yep, we brought it much later. It took a while to grind up there. Plenty of opportunity for trading pre-market before the New York opens. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.